Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video of Ankita Zora. So today's video is about preparing mushroom masala and I'll give you the very easy recipe of it. You all must be thinking that every week I come up with a new recipe, whereas I promised to show different shades of Ankita. That is because it is lockdown, and in lockdown we are mostly at home. Not mostly, we are always at home, and we keep preparing something or the other to kill our boredom, and whatever turns out very good, I thought why not share with you guys. So today we made mushroom masala. It is actually made by my sister, and that is why I'm sharing the recipe. Let's get started. So for preparing mushroom masala, I have taken all the ingredients in a plate. Let's watch one by one. I have 2 medium-sized onions which I have thinly sliced, 2 medium-sized capsicum. I have taken 3 baby corns. Here I have 1 tomato, a spoonful of grated ginger. I have 2 spoons of garlic and 3 green chilies. I have 200 grams of mushroom, and mushrooms are boiled with a little bit of salt, and I have boiled it for 2 to 3 minutes. All the vegetables are thinly sliced, and now let's see how to make mushroom masala. So for preparing mushroom masala, first we will saute the mushroom in a dollop of butter. So now my butter has already heated. I will add the mushroom and I will saute it for some time. So today's mushroom masala has been prepared by my sister. She is expert in it and I am doing the video. So our mushroom is sauteed. I have transferred it in this plate, and now here sister have taken 1 tablespoon of oil. And if you are someone who would like to have a rich curry, then you can go for 2 tablespoons as well. And someone who is lot of health conscious, you can make it with olive oil as well. And now we will give a half tablespoon of jeera, cumin seeds, garlic and ginger. So we will saute it for some time. Also show you the masala which I did not show you before. So it was jeera which we had given in the oil. Now I have jeera powder. This is red chili powder. I have little bit of salt, and then kasturi methi and turmeric powder. Now she will be adding onions. So it is 2 medium-sized onions thinly sliced. So once the onion turns golden brown, then we will add rest of the vegetables. And now she will be adding chopped tomatoes, baby corn. I have taken 3 baby corns. 3, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 3 baby corns, 2 capsicum, and 3 green chilies. For capsicum, actually you can take bell peppers as well. Now in this lockdown, whatever vegetables we have at home, we are using this, and we will be having this for our lunch. Vegetables are almost sauteed properly, and now we will be adding the masala. So first she will be adding salt, actually you can give as per your taste, and turmeric powder is half tablespoon, jeera is 2 tablespoons, red chili powder is half tablespoon again, because we don't prefer too much of spicy. Kasturi methi, she is crushing it on her hand, and then these are just few leaves, I would say, half tablespoon. So now she is adding ketchup. That is because we like it as such, for more tanginess. She has added almost 2 to 3 tablespoons. As per your taste you can add. Then this is green chili sauce. And then soya sauce. Soya sauce is half tablespoon. So after sauce, you could see it is turning out so beautifully. And now to make the gravy little slurry, she will be adding corn flour. This gives a thickness. If you are someone who would like to avoid corn flour, then instead of corn flour you can add fresh cream or malai or milk as per your preference. We like it in this way, so we have added corn flour. Now we will be adding the mushroom which we sauteed at the very first step. So mushroom is and yes, while we were sauteing, we had also diced the mushroom into half. Mushroom masala is ready and it turned out really good. And she will now add a pinch of black pepper just for taste and a dollop of butter again, so that it gives a creamy texture. Finally, this is how our mushroom masala looks in our plate, and you can have this with butter naan or steamed rice, butter roti or fried rice, and enjoy. Did you like the recipe? Do let me know in the comments below. If you like the recipe, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe, hit that red button, and yes, stay tuned for my upcoming videos. One of my subscriber did mention to share a healthy and diet recipe, so that is on the way. I have already shooted that and I'll upload it soon, so stay tuned for an healthy yummy breakfast recipe. And yes guys, bye, stay safe and stay healthy.